Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making homemade blueberry waffles without eggs. So whether you don't eat eggs or maybe you just ran out, you can make these delicious homemade blueberry waffles that are soft and fluffy and a little crispy on the edges, just like traditional waffles. They're quick and easy. Let me show you guys how to make them. So first we're gonna add 226 grams of butter into a small pot. Now we're just gonna put this over the stovetop and melt the butter completely. If you guys wanna melt the butter in a microwave-safe bowl, you can do that instead. Either works. So while our butter is melting, go ahead and grab a large mixing bowl. And then we're gonna add in our all-purpose flour. And then a little bit of cane sugar. Next, we're gonna add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Then 1 teaspoon of salt. And a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And now we're just gonna whisk this together. Now we're going to add in our melted butter. Then we're gonna add in our milk. And last we're gonna add in our pumpkin puree, which is going to be our egg replacer for these waffles. Now we're gonna whisk together until we have a smooth waffle batter. Go ahead and trade your whisk for a spatula, and then we're gonna fold in our fresh blueberries. So next you're gonna preheat your waffle iron, and I like to use setting 4 on my Cuisinart waffle iron. Now I have a big square waffle iron, but I'm just gonna measure half a cup of batter and put it right in the center. This gives you like the perfect size waffle. But you guys can make these any size that you like. And now we have delicious homemade blueberry waffles without eggs. You guys can enjoy these with your favorite waffle toppings like butter, maple syrup, or fresh fruit. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more eggless recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.